Hello everyone. Are you looking for unique and captivating niche ideas to create content on TikTok? In this video, I will share with you the 3 best niches that I have discovered. These niches will not only help you attract viewers, but also have the potential to become trends. Let's explore them together. First on our list is the horror and spooky niche, a genre that's taking TikTok by storm with millions of views. A prime example is the TikTok channel Dina.ai Creator, where videos featuring uniquely terrifying characters have captivated audiences, garnering hundreds of thousands to millions of views. This niche doesn't just create chills, it sparks curiosity and draws viewers in with the creativity in every detail. Videos like these spread easily as they evoke strong emotions and leave a lasting impression. Imagine just creating a 5-second video like this, attracting hundreds of thousands of views. Isn't that great? If you're a fan of the horror genre and want to challenge your creativity, this is the perfect niche to start with on TikTok. Next, let's explore the second niche, which is both interesting and unique, the musical instrument playing animals niche. This type of content is not only impressive, but also brings a sense of novelty and fun. A prime example is the TikTok channel Nakai5586, where videos featuring animals creatively depicted with musical instruments have attracted thousands to hundreds of thousands of views. This niche not only creates an adorable atmosphere, but is also full of creativity, making it hard for viewers to look away. With some editing skills and creative design, you can bring a fresh experience to your audience. Videos featuring animals playing musical instruments often go viral because they combine cuteness with talent, attracting viewers of all ages. If you're passionate about art and content creation, this is the perfect niche to try on TikTok. Finally, we come to the third niche, which is incredibly adorable and captivating, the creative kids dress up niche. This niche features videos of children dressed in unique, cute, or luxurious outfits that have garnered millions of views. A standout example is the TikTok channel Little Classics, where videos of children in special costumes and with charming expressions have created a sensation with millions of followers. This niche not only brings cuteness and happiness, but also makes viewers smile because of its whimsy and creativity. Videos of kids dressing up often go viral due to their adorableness and fun nature, appealing to audiences of all ages. If you want to create content that makes viewers melt from the cuteness and creativity, this is the perfect niche to try on TikTok. Regardless of the niche you choose, everything follows one simple formula. Use ChatGPT to create text-to-image prompts, Leonardo AI to generate images, and Kling AI to turn those images into videos, and CapCut to edit the final video. With this workflow, you can create content quickly and efficiently. If you'd like more details or specific examples, feel free to check out my previous videos. Thank you for watching, and I wish you success in your content creation journey.